How to fix invalid destination address in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. Now turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on messages app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.